I imported this product from China for less than 2,000 naira, and I sold out in 3 days. Yes. So if you want to know how I keep doing this and selling out, don't forget to watch the video to the very end. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and let's go straight to it. I'll be showing you the product and everything you need to know. Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jenny CEO, your girl. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing you how I import this product and sell out before you know it. So if you are this kind of person, you've been struggling to sell out some items, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch the very end, because this video will change everything. Yes, to change everything. So what makes a product sell out fast? The first secret you need to know is what to import. That is the first secret you need to know. You need to research what to import. Is what you need to know to sell out products so fast, because not every cheap product is profitable. Not every cheap product is profitable. So you need to know items that are, I'm going to mention the items now, what to know, the things you need to know about this item. When you see an item, you should ask yourself these questions before thinking of importing them, before thinking of buying and reselling. You should ask these questions before you now go ahead and say, okay, now this product has passed this test, now let me import, let me buy, let me sell. So the first thing to ask is, do this product I want to buy or import, does it solve a real problem? Yes. Ask your question. Ask the product. Ask yourself these questions. Look at the product, visualize the product, and ask these questions. If they pass the test, that means they will sell out in 3 days or even less than 3 days when you bring them in. Will this product solve problem? Are these products trendy, or are they seasonal products? Are they trendy? The next issue is, are they lightweight? Are they easy to ship? Now, do they have high demand in Nigeria? If you're in Ghana, do these products have high demand in Ghana? If you're in Cameroon, do these products have high demand in Cameroon? If you're in Zambia, these products, are you sure when I bring it to Zambia, it will sell out fast? Anywhere you are, you know what sell out fast in your own area. So you need to ask yourself these questions before you start importing, so you don't end up using them as souvenirs or using them and dumping them in your houses. Yes. Now in this video I'll be showing you examples, and I'll also be telling the ones I imported and sold out fast in less than 3 days. Now example I'll be giving you. Example, we have rechargeable fans. This product solve problem. Now everywhere is hot, or when during hot season, this product solve problem. You see them, everybody, I'm sweating. You see everybody going out with fans, everywhere is hot, and it solve problem. The next thing you should consider, beauty and skincare. This, I keep saying it, that if you see skincare is one product that is always selling out. If you know your onion, if you know the ones, if you have the ones that works, if you know your supplier that sells original, then your skincare is a very hot and selling product that you will bring immediately and sell out in less than 3 days. Now, because you know why? Skincare solves problem. Some solve pimples problem, they solve so many skin problems, and it helps fasten the sales of this particular product. Next one is kitchen tools. All these things are fashion accessories, fitness items, gadgets, power bank. Now the next one you should ask yourself, where will I find this product? After knowing this product you want to import, where do you find this product? Because where you find and buy will also determine how fast you sell. Because when you buy products from a very you buy products from a vendor that sells very high, it will also affect your sales, because everybody are looking for a way to buy things at a mouth-watering prices, so they can also save big. Yes, nobody wants to buy things in high demand, now in high price. Yes. Now the next thing again is, now where do I get all these products? I'm going to be recommending 1688. Yes. So I also recommend Pindodo. Please, if you want to sell out fast and you want to sell your product very fast, don't import from Alibaba, don't import from AliExpress. These places are high. They sell things high way. So if you want to import and make that and sell out in less than 3 days, then consider stating. You know, states can even negotiate with your supplier. I do that a lot. You can negotiate with the supplier. They will also beat down the prices for you, which will help you sell out fast. When they come here, you import it, the price will be so cheap, and you sell out so fast before you know what is happening. Now, the next thing you need to know again is all these suppliers that I are seeing, make sure you look at their store. What are they selling? The store, ask for video. Check the store rating. I've done so many videos on how to detect scammers. Check and make sure that these stores are real stores. You can also buy less, buy like small quantity in order to test the genuineness of that store. Yes, you can buy less and test the genuineness of that store. Now, the next thing you need to do again is shipping item, because after buying you need to ship out. Now, your shipping method can also make you sell out fast or use those products as souvenir. Now, shipping method is very important. You want to import and make who cash, then I will also recommend using sea shipping. Use sea shipping for your item, no matter how it is. Use sea shipping. It will help you, pay less for those products, and when they come, you sell in high profits, and your products will still be very affordable than persons that imported using air shipping. Test that and see. Now, the next thing to know, how do I now sell fast? Now I've come to the main cocoa. When you bring it in, the next, how do you now sell out fast? Yes, I imported this. It's a wristwatch, kids wristwatch, and I'll also be showing on the screen how I advertise it. Yes, I advertised it. I imported this. It comes in different colors. Comes in black. It comes in red. Now, what is this? This is kids wristwatch. If you look at this kids wristwatch, it has what they call a cartoon character. Now, look at this cartoon character. I'm sure this is a Spider-Man. All boys love Spider-Man. Even my daughter now, you will see her. Mommy, give me Spider-Man. I will not tell her, oh, you're a girl. Which one is Spider-Man? You say, Mommy, give me Spider-Man. So, and my son loves Spider-Man, but boys love Spider-Man a lot. Yes. So now, this is Spider-Man character. There is no child you will give this wristwatch that will not love it. Now, I discovered that this product sells so fast. I bought it and I advertised it. I'll be showing it on my screen how I advertised it, because I don't want this video to be too long. I'll be sure as I'm talking, I'll be showing on my screen how I advertised this product. I bought it, nearly it landed. I advertised it on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't use ₦1 to advertise. Some persons might say, I don't have money to run Facebook ad. My dear, Facebook has paid advert and the one you can advertise for free. Facebook Marketplace, that was where I advertised this wristwatch. I just snapped, you can even go on Facebook and type kids character wristwatch. You will see there's so many pictures. Pick it up, click on sell and advertise on Facebook Marketplace. It also comes in a red color. Now look at that, that's the red color here. This is another cartoon character. I don't know this one, but I know some persons will also know what this cartoon character is now. So advertise it, and immediately I advertised it, and I put in my location. And Facebook Marketplace made it very easy that even if you are in another state, you can also see like minds, someone in that same state that wants to buy this product. So you don't even need to say, I want to way below, or I don't have some. So customers don't be discouraged and say, hey, I don't have money for you, or they are not scared of scammers. No. So you can also advertise it to your own state, your own location. For instance, like Lagos, you can advertise to your own Lagos people, and they will see it and buy from you. I advertised it on Facebook Marketplace. Not just there, I also went ahead to advertise it on the platform they call Gigi, Giji, for free. If you don't know how to do that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Gigi, Giji, sign up with your email address, and you will see where they say sell, advertise your products. You're free to advertise. They also have paid plans, but I did not pay for any paid. They have paid adverts, but I did not pay for paid advert. I advertise for free. to advertise on Facebook Marketplace, and I advertised on Gigi. I also advertised on my status, my WhatsApp status, and I was shocked. In less than 2 days, I want. This one now, I have to buy another one. No. This is what I'm saying. I have to buy another one. I want. A woman even chatted me up. From there, you put your phone number. They called me. I want 20 pieces of this. I want to this, and I said, I will show you. I said to them, it's out of stock. It's out of stock. I said to them, out of stock. Out of, my own finished. Oh my God, it finished. I was like, what? So this is how this wristwatch is so hot selling. This one is another one I just imported. I will show you there. I was the one now telling them it's out of stock. Please, it's out of stock. We will restock. We will restock. It's out of stock. We will restock. So many persons can also buy this as souvenirs. Now that Christmas is coming close, my dear importer, import it and sell. Yes, now that it's coming close. And this wristwatch is not less than, it's not even up to 500 naira from China. It's not. Even with the shipping fee, I'm not even sure it's up to 500 naira. But the market price now of this, I'll also be showing on the screen so you can see what we're talking about. So my dear, if you don't say you are not cashing out watching my videos, it's not possible. You must cash out. Now that is all for that. I've mentioned that you can sell. I've told you where to make, where the money is made. You can also use Instagram Reel. You can use, I've told you, Facebook Marketplace. I've told you WhatsApp, which I'm doing it. It's something that I've done. So it works. Now you also post your listing. Now the next, I'm going to be giving you my 3 golden rule. This 3 golden rule is so important. Now the 3 golden rule that will help you sell out so fast. Number 1, choose what people are already buying. You see this one now. Parents love it. See, it gives time. It shows time. It's a digital time. All right, digital time. It will give a child 6:30. It will show 7. This thing will show, and it has cartoon characters. All kids loves cartoon. Now, order in small quantity at first. Order in small quantity at first. Don't just rush and buy. Maybe you see this, you now buy plenty. No, I ordered small. You need to test the market. You need to test the market. I ordered small, and when I saw that it's hot selling, I had to have the mind to buy in bulk. The next thing surgery needs to do again is use strong and clear visuals and caption when posting products. Yes, your product's photo should do 80% of the work. Now let's go to our bonus tips. Always do what? Post your customers' review. It helps people buy. Yes, it helps people buy. It gives people the courage to buy. And when you buy also, don't forget to also reinvest, all right, and buy more and cash out. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to drop a comment.